Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about my Coach Jes CrossBody Bag. This is the one with the linear quilting, and it's in black, and I love this bag. I did a review on this bag, so if you haven't seen it already, the link will be in the description. I'm going to show you how I make my bag look even better, because I saw some of the other people on YouTube who have this bag purchase an extra strap for it, so that's exactly what I did. So I purchased the strap from Amazon, and I'll leave the link in the description box. I already took one out, but the strap, it comes with two straps. So I guess if you need it for two different bags, and they have all different types of straps that you can put on your bag. But I decided to go with this one that has like the leather and the chain on it. I thought it just looks so wonderful. So since this bag has gold on it, like, I think this just makes it look so much nicer. So what you would do is you can just attach it on to right here. You can, matter of fact, it comes with this strap already, and as you can see, all the hardware is gold. It has zippers here, so compartment, and mine is stuffed. I use this bag already, but when I'm not using it, I keep it stuffed. And then it has a separate compartment right here. And again, watch my review if you want to get more in-depth information about the bag. But I just wanted to show you like how it looks with the straps. Of course, it has the quilting in the front and the quilting in the back. And this is a beautiful bag. I believe they still have this in white, and they have it in the canvas print that's brown, and they have some other variations. So definitely check out the Coach Outlet website and or the Coach website. I'll put both of the links in the description. And so let me show you. So with the strap that it comes with a leather strap, and the strap is adjustable, so you can adjust it to, you know, whatever is better for you depending on your height. And I'm 5'3", so again, check out my other video that shows you me wearing it and what can fit in it and everything like that if you want to see for reference. So you can just take this strap off, and then you can put this strap on. And what's so good about it is that when you put this strap on, hold on, let me put the strap on. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty already because the way that chain, guys, I love fashion. And of course you love it too if you're watching this video. Oh my gosh, hold on. Yeah, so you put it on there just like that, and you can carry it on your arm like this, you see? Just like that. Or you can just carry it like this, or you can put it on your like this and then carry it on the small part of your arm. It is so cute. So then when it's hanging, it just looks like that. I think that this gives the bag an awesome, like, more upscale look. Like, I think the bag on its own just gives you that sleek, beautiful, black, simple type of bag. And you know, all the Chanel bags, most of the Chanel bags have this style, and the chain strap is very, very trendy right now. But I just love this bag. It is so pretty, and you get a great value for the price. Like, it's leather and it's smooth, and OMG. So I definitely recommend this bag. You can definitely say, like, you won't spend your money wrong if you go with this bag. Yeah, and so that's what it's looking like. Let me show you guys up close and personal. Yeah, and you can still, if you want, put both straps on at the same time. Very easy. Their thing is very easy to put on and take off. And guys, it's the gold hardware for me. Like that gold, especially the tag on it that says Coach. It is so nice and elegant looking. Yeah, so you can wear it with both straps, and that's what it's gonna be looking like. Like it'll be hanging from there. And just give your bag a little something extra. They have different ones though. I saw another girl, she did like an all black plastic strap. I was gonna get that at first, but then when I saw this, I decided to get this one. You can also get one like this, the chain strap with the leather, but if you want it longer, so you may want to get one that's the length of this one instead. I think that would look really nice. I might actually try that too. But guys, this, I think, OMG, like it really, Coach really did their thing with this one. So guys, I hope that you liked this video. I hope I was able to give you some good ideas for your bags. Even if you don't have a Coach bag, you might have another bag that's black or that's similar and you want to just give it an extra, you know, little something. I think these chains are really, really nice. They're trendy right now and I really, really, really just love it. I'm gonna leave the link in the description if you would like to buy this chain. It's my Amazon affiliate link, so I'll get a commission if you shop through that link. Also guys, if you want to get discounts on your Coach bags, join Rakuten. Rakuten will give you discounts on most of the websites that you're probably already shopping on, like Macy's, Best Buy, Saks, you name it, Coach Outlet. They will give you a discount for signing up with them. And right now, I have an affiliate link. So if you use my link in the description, when you make your first purchase, you'll get $30 and I'll get $30 when you make your first purchase. So sign up if you haven't already. Also, use my Coach affiliate link as well and you will get money off of your purchase. I think they're going to give you $10 toward a purchase and they'll give me $20 towards a purchase. And thank you to those who have been using my links. Some of you have used my links already and gotten your discounts. I got my notifications from Coach like, oh, you got money to spend. So I'm like, okay, they don't give you actual money, but they give you money towards a purchase. Rakuten does give you actual money. So if you want to get some extra money, cash back on your purchases, sign up for Rakuten. So all the information will be in the description bar, guys. I highly recommend this. I've been using this bag for a while now. I love, love, love it. And I look forward to whatever bags that Coach has for the new year 2022. And you know I'm going to be looking out for those Christmas sales. So I wish everyone happy holidays, Merry Christmas. I love you all. All my information is in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.